to close your eyes. And as you close your eyes, just take a deep breath. That's it, well done. And so when you take a deep breath, focus on the air that is going through your lungs. Just have the experience of that. Well done. And as you notice that you're focusing on your breathing, you'll also become aware that your mind will begin to calm. That's it. Well done. So you take another deep breath and allowing the tension from your shoulders to shift and to sort of loosen and be released. Now imagine yourself in a lovely park. It's very quiet. And you're sitting on a bench, a park bench. And there's absolutely no one around. But you can smell the grass. The lawn had been mowed earlier that morning. So get comfortable and sit on that bench. And continue to be aware that the version of you that is on that bench is the exact same person that is hearing me speak in this moment. But it is a more quiet, settled version of you. And I want you, with the power of your mind, send out the thought, the invitation, and say to a guide that watches over me, one that has my highest purpose, through the power of love, I invite you to come and sit beside me on this park bench. So as you do that, through the power of thought, just continue to breathe and gently sit in to the space on that bench. And you'll notice it's either to the left of you or the right. The energy begins to shift. It's almost like the temperature begins to shift. And you'll notice a breeze, a wind, a very gentle wind that'll blow across your shoulder and your neck. And it'll be very subtle. And then just as you continue to take that deep breath and you gently exhale, you feel this incredible translucent energy, this beautiful light, move closer to the bench. You're doing really well. And then you'll notice that there is an energy that is sitting, and it can present differently to each of us. It could be a beautiful female, someone that would appear very gentle, very sacred, and someone that you may have seen in your dreams. And you think to yourself, wow, I know you. And so just become familiar with that energetical resonance, that feeling. because that feeling is going to be very specific to your guide. For others, that may be a masculine male energy that comes through. It could be somebody that you know as a family member or someone who you may have known in a previous life that has wanted to show up to help support you. Whoever it is that has shown up, allow yourself to feel the love and the safety in their presence. Excellent. Well done. And what I would like you to do before we come back into this space, this 3D awake space, I want you to sit in gratitude and thank your guide for all the love and support. And you quietly ask them for something that you need right now in this time. It may be to send a message to a loved one that you miss. It may be to help you with a relationship, finances. Or it may just be to help hold you in a space in which your trauma won't be as overwhelming as you breathe. And so as you sit in that place of gratitude and thanks, in that one moment of time, you're building up your own experience of knowing what your guide feels like. And before we move away and come back to this 3D space, you can now ask your guide to give you a message for you. Well done. So just take a few breaths and notice yourself still on that bench, but notice yourself through thought that you're coming back into your current state in your current body. And so do that quite gently. Well done. And so now allow yourself to feel your presence land back into this form that you have, your human body. Continue to breathe gently. And when it feels right, you can open up your eyes. Thank you.
I hope everyone that's listening got the sense of a guide stepping close to them. Let us know in the comments if you did feel any presence drawing close, and if you're called to let us know what the message was.
Thank you, Leah. That was great. See you in the next video.